Okay, what I'm going to talk about today is the state of cloud adoption in higher education. I'm going to show you how you, as a researcher, student, professor, or even university administrator, how to adopt the cloud technology and use it to support and facilitate education, teaching, and research, as well as enhance the learning experience for our students. And I'm going to tell you how to do that for almost free. As of April 2015, almost 3,600 universities are using Amazon, just only Amazon Cloud for education and research. So the primary objective of my talk is to show you how to tap into the cloud, this fascinating, extremely useful technology, and use it to use its resources, services, and infrastructure in the way we educate, teach, and do research. Without a doubt, the internet has transformed the way we do things, the way we live, work, and play, and many aspects the way we educate and do research. And I strongly believe and imagine that in the near future, and it's already happening, that the cloud will transform the way we educate, teach, and do research. Think of the last time you visited the library, the physical library, the library building. For me, it was about 15 years ago. Almost nowadays, everything that you need, every article or even a book, it is in a digital form and it's available for you within a few mouse clicks. And I strongly believe that physical laboratories that we have now will be replaced by cloud-based laboratories. Also, these huge data centers we have to host our services, computation, and storage will be replaced by cloud technology. Before I talk about the outline, I'd like to put things in the proper context. I'd like to put my talk in the proper context. So when people talk about the cloud adoption higher education, they mean one of three things. They mean adopting or using the cloud to support MOOCs, these massively open online courses like Khan Academy, Coursera, or edX. So if the university has courses they want to open to the world and post online, the cloud platform could be a very attractive option. The other meaning of cloud adoption higher education could be for using the cloud to host IT services like email services, registration system, the ERP services, your LMS, the learning management system, like Moodle and Blackboard, all can be outsourced to the cloud. And the third usage, or the third meaning of cloud adoption in higher education, is using it for teaching and research, using it to support and facilitate teaching and research. And that's actually the focus of my talk here. So in my talk, what I'm going to talk about is start to give you a background in order to appreciate and recognize the great benefits that the cloud technology can offer to support and facilitate education and research. I'll give you some background. I'll talk about our role as academics in supplying the proper and the right skill for our students so that we can fulfill the huge market need for cloud computing. I'll give you a primer about Amazon Web Services, as well as I'll talk about use cases for teaching, using the cloud for teaching, and using the cloud for research. And I'll end up with some lessons learned, and I'll talk about towards the end on the state of cloud adoption around the world, some interesting projects that are happening in Europe and as well as in the US.